Looking to boost income with how to make money from a website tips in 2023? Here are some killer tips. Tip 1. Diversify your revenue streams. Explore ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Don't rely on just one source. Tip 2. Optimize for SEO. Boost your website's visibility with targeted keywords and high-quality content. Tip 3. Engage your audience. Respond to comments, create engaging content, and build a community around your brand. Tip 4. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website looks and works great on all devices for maximum reach. Tip 5. Analyze and adapt. Use analytics to track what's working and adjust your strategies accordingly. There you have it. 2023's top tips for maximizing website revenue. Now, go make that money. Thanks for